have stored about gamers and develops these reports like there were 68,000 hours played between November and December on Black Ops. Some other cool things as well. We have an in-memory database. So these are things. So MySQL is great for making sure that data is stored to disk. But for some things, we just don't care if the data is lost when the machine goes down. Right? So we're more efficient to just store everything in memory instead. Right? So along with our core technology, we also use a lot of open source tools as well. So you can grab me later on and come and chat a bit. Okay. This is where we currently are, is where with our load test. So even if you have this really cool architecture in place, and you've designed your service really well, just so you can sleep at night, it's nice to know that the thing scales properly. There's two types of load testing we do, and the main one that we focus on is game device spacing. So up on top there is basically how a simple overview of our client-side architecture. We have the game engine, and we provide an API to the game engine. That would be like find a match, write a storage file, write statistics. And we have, our API is quite simple, and all that it does is it serializes the parameters that we've provided, and that's pretty much it. And underneath that, where the real beef for our work is in the encryption and decryption there. So when it comes down to us, our book comes down to us, we just encrypt it and then send it up to our server. Okay, so send up encrypted. So what we did here in this case was take basically the hardest part that we have, which is our encryption and decryption there, and we use SIP to create a Python library. Okay? Then what we did was what we were able to do then is write a load test profile in Python. So we're able to make the exact same calls that the game studio are able to make, except do it in Python. And we can replicate, so we'll contact the game studio and say, what are you exactly